Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, fourth class children. Yesterday we have discussed about the sentence and phrase. Okay, children. And the day before yesterday, I may have explained to you about 12 silver cups. Story already we have discussed. Jeffrey, a beautiful runner who used to won always the cups. Almost he won 12 silver cups. Almost how many cups he won, Nana? 12 silver cups. And how he lost the cups and how he found again his cups we have discussed in our previous session. See, children, this is your English textbook which I am going to explain today of the first lesson. What is that? The first lesson, children? 12 silver cups. 12 silver cups. Very interesting story. If you are having, you can read in the textbook. See, children, Jeffrey was a splendid runner. Who is the main character, Nana? Jeffrey. Okay, who is the main character here? Jeffrey. Jeffrey is the main character here, and he was a splendid runner. Splendid runner means what? Wonderful runner or excellent runner. You can say excellent runner. It is the main character of the story, children. Now see, Jeffrey was a splendid runner, and at his school sports he always won all the running prizes. When he was in school, he used to earn all the running prizes, running races. He already had 11 cups. Almost he won 11 cups. So that year when he again won the prize for running, he had his 12th silver cup. Every year he used to earn the cups, and that year it was the 12th year when he was participating in the running race. Again in the 12th year also he won the 12th cup, 12th silver cup. Now how pleased he was. See, children, if you observe this statement, how pleased he was. Pleased he was. After winning the cups, he was very pleased. See, the mark given to you at the end. Here, children, this is an exclamatory mark, and the sentence is known as exclamatory sentence in this. Underline the sentence, Nana, if you are reading the textbook. Now see what happens next. And then what do you think happened to those silver cups? 12 silver cups. See, now it is a story. Okay, he won 12 silver cups, and maybe next year also he will win another silver cup. But in the middle of this 1 year gap, something happened to these silver cups. That story we are going to learn today. What happens to these silver cups? See, children. One night a burglar got into the house and stole them all. One day who entered the Jeffrey's house? Burglar. One day a burglar entered the Jeffrey's house, and what he did, see, children, got into the house and stole them all. Means he stole all the 12 silver cups. All the 12 silver cups. He hadn't time to take anything else because Spot the dog began to bark. Now when he took all the silver cups, he has no time to collect any more things, to steal more things, because already the dog has spotted him and started barking on him. See what happened. Dad woke up. When the dog barks, Jeffrey's dad, means Jeffrey's father, woke up. Jeffrey's father woke up. See what happened when his father woke up. Dad woke up and heard a noise and tore downstairs. just in time to see a dark figure running down the garden. He ran through the steps to observe what the dog is barking. When he reached down the steps, what he has observed, children? He has observed that a black figure is running away from the house. Now see, just in time to see a dark figure running down the garden. Through the garden, the dark figure. Who is the dark figure? Burglar. Burglar was running away. Now what happens? See next. Daddy switched on the light and saw that Jeffrey's cups were gone. Now when Dad entered the living room and he switched on the light, what he has observed? He has observed that the 12 silver cups won by Jeffrey were missed. Means they had been stolen by the burglar. See what happens next, children. He ran into the garden, but the man had disappeared. So Daddy ran up to the police. Now when he saw the 12 silver cups were missing, Jeffrey's father immediately again ran into the garden. But when he reached the garden, he did not find anybody in the garden. So immediately he called the policeman. To whom we call when we lost anything or when we feel anything problem with others, we will call the police. And in the same way, Jeffrey's father also called the police. Jeffrey's father also rang up the police, but nobody seemed to be able to get back those cups. Even though he informed the police, they were also unable to trace out the 12 silver cups. See children, what happens next? Jeffrey was very unhappy because they were his and he had been proud of them. See children, Jeffrey became very unhappy when he lost his silver cups because he was very fond of the silver cups and very proud on the silver cups because the silver cups has been won by Jeffrey. Okay, not only Jeffrey, his father also very proud of his son, and they both used to see and used to clean those silver cups daily. But when they missed the silver cups, when the silver cups has been stolen by somebody, they become very unhappy. See what happens next, children. The policeman took a lot of notes and asked a great many questions. Great many questions means more questions. They came to the house of Jeffrey and they asked questions to the Jeffrey and his father. What happened actually that night? But he did not catch the thief. Though he said he felt sure he knew who it was. Now see children, even though they may know or they may not know who the thief was, but they explained the whole thing to the policeman what happened that day. See next what is going on in the Jeffrey's house. 2 weeks went by and nothing was heard of the 12 silver cups. Now almost 15 days completed and no information about the 12 silver cups. Then another bit of bad luck came to Jeffrey. Now another incident happened in the Jeffrey's house. He lost his tortoise. After the 2 weeks, he lost his tortoise. He had slow coach. What the tortoise name, Nana? Slow coach. He lost the tortoise slow coach. When he lost the tortoise, he became again very unhappy. Now see children what happens next. his tortoise for 6 years, and he was fond of the quaint old creature. He was very fond of the different and pleasing creatures in the world, and he used to keep all the creatures along with him. In the same way, he used to tame slow coach in his house from 6 years, since 6 years. So, after the 15 days, he lost his slow coach also. See, then he became very unhappy. Slow coach would let Zephyr tickle him under the chin and would always poke his head, and when Zephyr whistled a special whistle, now he was gone. Now see what this slow coach used to do with the Zephyr. Always the slow coach pinned here, he used to do his head, he used to pat on his head. Now he used to touch his chins, but now there is no creature to touch the chin of Zephyr, to touch the chin of Zephyr, to touch the cheeks of Zephyr, and to pat on his head. That's why he become very unhappy again. Oh mother, where do you think he can be? Said Zephyr. I have haunted over every bit of the garden. Now he is asking his mother that, Mother, I have checked each and every part of the garden, but I did not find the slow coach. I don't know where it may be. I don't know where it may be. See children, till now we have completed that the Zephyr has 12 silver cups, and he lost the 12 silver cups. Again 15 days after, he lost his slow coach also. In our next session children, we will learn what happens next to the Zephyr. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day all of you.